This is my drawing of Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step so that you can draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Now for today's drawing, I'm going to start in the center page and draw the top edge of the eyes. Let's leave a large gap in the center. You want to start with the left side. I'm going to start from the inside of the eye, curving this up. I'm just going to bend that out towards the end. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing, going up and then bending that out. On the ends, curve the side of the eye coming down and in with a short curve. Now I'm just going to bend this down and pull that in toward that inside point. Now I want to tuck the pupils in underneath the eyelids. So I'm going to start on the left. I'm just going to curve this down, then up, just so we see the bottom edge. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we want to add some thickness to the eyelash. We're going to start from the side, bend this up so it tapers out. I'm just going to curl that up towards the end, bend this down, and then in towards the side of the eye. Let's fill the lashes in black. Now I'm going to move over and do the same thing on the right. Starting from the top, bend this up and out, curl that up towards the end, and then again bending this in towards the side of the eye, and we'll fill that in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move in and draw the edge of the eyebrow. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up, then out. Line this up on the right, going up, and then out. Now on the end, we're just going to curl this down. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrow. Starting from the left, then it's up and in. We're going to come in, and then back down. Let's go back to the inside. I'm just going to curve the edge of the nose bridge coming in and then down along the side. And then on the inside, we're going to add a fold with a short curve on both sides. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom. We're going to draw the nose, starting with a point along the tip. Just going to add a short curve going out and up toward the left and right side. And then we're going to move up and draw a short curve in the middle. From the tip of the nose, we're going to step down and add a curve going up and down across the center of the mouth. And I'm just going to curl this up towards the corners of the mouth. Let's add the upper lip. In the center, come down and up. On the left, then this down and then out. Let's add the lower lip. Starting back on the left, coming down, round up the lip, and then back up. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move up to the top in the center and draw the hair coming around the eyes and then back in. Start right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now I want to bend this around the eyebrow and eye, bend this down and in. I'm just going to curl that down towards a point. Let's go back up to the top center, do the same thing on the right. Going across, around the eyebrow, coming down and in, and we'll bend that down towards the same height. Now let's go back to the center. We'll draw a straight line going up toward the top of the head. Now right in the middle, I'm just going to curve the outside of that strand. We're going to go out, come down. I'm just going to taper this so it gets narrower as it comes down towards a point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now line up with the outside of the eyes, move towards the outside and curve the ear, going up, down, and then in. Just going to add a small fold along the inside. Now let's go back to the top. We're going to draw the outside of the head. We'll start with the left side. We're going to go up, round up the head, and then pull that in on top of the ear. Along the inside, we're going to add a little bit of texture. From here, then it's up, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move up and draw a shorter curve. Now with the hair in place, let's move back down and draw the side of the jaw coming in towards the chin. So we're going to start from the left side, bend this down, pull that in towards the chin to right about there. Round out the base of the chin. I'm just going to pull this out and then up towards the right, in behind the hair. Now underneath the chin, we're going to draw the side of the neck. Let's start with the left side. I'm going to come down, bend that out in behind the hair. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the center. We're going to start with a point. We're going to add that gem. Bend this out and down toward the side. Bend this back down and in towards the middle. Now in the center, we're going to add a circle. Let's bring that strap coming around the neck on the left side. Bend this out and then up. Go down towards the bottom and draw that same curve. Let's line up with the bottom of the neck on the outside of the hair, and then slope the shoulders, coming down and then out toward the left and right side. Let's add the shirt collar just shifted over towards the right. We'll start up here, bend this down and across, in behind the hair. Continue down. I'm just going to bend that up towards the right shoulder. Now we're going to layer the hair in behind the head. Let's start from the top of this curve. We're going to go up, round this out. And I want to bring this down around the head, bend that in, and then down and out towards the shoulder. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're just going to line this up and do the same thing in the opposite direction. Going around the ear, bend this in, and then back out. Let's add some texture across the top. Starting on the left, bend this up, and then out. Step down. We're just going to go a little bit longer on the side. And we'll add one more. Now we're going to go all the way down towards the bottom and add some texture going up. Let's add the outside edge of the earrings just underneath the hair. We're going to start on the left, go straight out. Let's line this up on the right. Come down towards a point. Then angle that back up underneath. Let's add a line across the top. Let's go back and fill the inside of that strap in black. Now switch to a thin black marker and just add a small detail on the inside corner of the eyes. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mira from the K-pop Demon Hunters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.